Hey Aadi, why are you collecting everything using the same pot?
Oh, it's simple. Using just one pot saves space, makes cleaning easier, and keeps things organized. Why use more pots?
That's clever. It's like a variable in programming.
A variable? What's that?
Well, in programming, we need to store lots of information, like data. A variable is like your pot. It holds data so we can use it later. Got it?
Not quite sure.
I think Mrs. Neera will explain to you better.
Yes!
Good morning, friends. How was your weekend?
It was great. I visited my grandma, and she made lots of sweets for me. I think I might turn into a sweet myself.
I spent the day in the garden. It's so nice to see flowers blooming.
That's lovely.
Guys, have you ever heard of words like variable and data?
No?
My dad works as a data analyst, but I'm not sure what that means.
Good morning, everyone. Eve, Aadi. What's all the discussion about?
We're talking about some new words. Variable and data.
Ah, I see. Do you know what they mean?
I know a little. Something about information, storage.
Exactly. Just like we use boxes, pots, and bags to store things, a computer uses variables to store information in its memory. Think of variables as special boxes in programming. When you put cookies in a jar, the cookies are like data. For example, if we want to store your marks in a computer, marks is the data. We need a variable to hold it. Let's call our variable m. Aadi, how many marks did you get in your last test?
I got 86 marks.
Great! Let's store Aadi's marks using Python.
Wow!
How do we check if the marks are stored?
Good question. We use the print statement to see what's inside the variable.
Wait, shouldn't M be in quotes?
Good point, Eve. But if we want the value of the variable, we don't use quotes. If we put M in quotes, it will just print the letter M. Let's try it.
Oh, now I understand.
That's right. You can create as many variables as you need. Here's a challenge for you. Write a code to store your pocket money, the number of garden pots, and the number of books you have. Show these values on the screen.
Yes, teacher, we'll try it.
Great! We'll talk about your solutions in the next class.
And so, Aadi and his friends learned about variables and how to use them in programming. They're excited to take on the challenge and discover more about the magical world of coding.